She lives! She lives! First try. So this was, look, harrowing would be a very polite word to use, but it was definitely a challenge. I've put the bare minimum that I could back together so that I could run it and test it before we actually send it out into the wild. And what that means is I've done literally everything except the intake plenum and filled up the radiator overflow tank. I need to put in brand new power steering fluid, but for a test run, that's totally fine. I'm only going to run it for about 30 seconds, listen to it, and then top everything up. I'm just waiting for my oil delivery, but I've done a bunch of cranking to work through all of the air that was in the fuel system. Had to get pumped through the engine, and then we made fuel. And let's listen in for the fun. That is beautiful. Bit noisy because we're waiting on oil pressure to get up, but smooth, healthy, happy. Now what we do is we look at everything to look for any leaks or weird stuff going on. Bit of smoke from all the chemicals I've been using and the grease and stuff, so that's all fine. All right, so I'm gonna go through, keep testing everything and make sure we're all good.